Welcome to Always Dolls. We're so glad you stopped by. Today we craft more camping adventure items for your American Girl dolls. See how to make a colourful canteen with shoulder strap, bottle of sunscreen and fun compass. Then update an older Our Generation deck chair to look like one from AG's Get Outside camping set. So let's get making! For a round canteen, take 2 milk bottle caps and spray paint them the colour of your choice. Use a fine-tipped white paint pen to draw a version of AG's camping graphic. It's easier than you think. Begin with a circle. Inside it, make wiggly lines for the sea. Then add 5 triangles for the mountains. Colour in the snow. Then add tiny plus symbols for stars. Repeat this step on your second milk cap. Next, join the caps together using a thin line of hot glue around the rim. Here, we took the top off a Christmas bauble and painted it teal for the lid. Then we cut a thin strip of plastic packaging and coloured it yellow with a permanent marker. Thread the plastic strip through the top of your bauble, securing with a drop of hot glue. Now loop the plastic under the lid before adhering to the top of your canteen with more hot glue. Colour a segment of wooden barbecue skewer with a permanent marker. Wrap a piece of ribbon around the skewer and seal with hot glue. Cut away the excess skewer, then attach it to the side of your canteen. Then loop the ribbon and adhere it to the other side of the canteen. Now the canteen can be worn over your doll's shoulder. Using computer paper, let's make an easy bottle of sunscreen. Start with 2 strips of paper. Put glue on the thinner strip and roll it around a thick marker. This will be the bottle lid. Repeat with the wider strip, and this will be the bottle itself. Now cut a taller strip, but roll it around a thinner marker to make the inner tube. Slide this piece inside the bottle. Seal up the base by squeezing out a glob of hot glue onto non-stick paper. Place the bottom of the tube into the glue. Once it has set, peel off and remove any excess glue from around the edge. Flip over and seal the top of the tube in the same way. We are ready to paint. Using a matte cream colour, paint the top section of the tube. This will be the sunscreen. Now take your lid piece and glue it to some scratch paper. Once the glue is dry, cut away any excess paper. When the lid is on the bottle, there should be a small gap. Now it's time for the printables. Click the link in the description box for our version, or you can use coloured paper for this step. Cut out the teal pieces first. Adhere the thin strip above the rim of the bottle and the graphic image around the bottle itself. Glue the extra teal square to the bottom of your tube, then trim away the extra paper. Cut and glue the pink printables to cover the bottle cap in the same way. Apply a few coats of Mod Podge to just the lid and the bottle, and your DIY sunscreen is ready to pack for your doll's next outdoor adventure. Now let's update this Our Generation deck chair. We painted the frame white in our previous DIY pool video, but it has chipped over time. No worries, a quick respray and it looks like new. To copy American Girl's Get Outside camp chair, we will make a new fabric seat using similar light pink, mint green and coral coloured materials. Cut 2 rectangles of each colour. Align the long edge of your pink and green strips, good sides facing in, and sew together. Turn back the green section and press smooth. Next, align the long edge of your green and orange strips, again with good sides touching. Stitch together, then turn back and press the seam. Repeat these steps with your second set of fabric strips. Then place the two panels together, good sides touching. Sew around the edge with a 1 cm allowance, but leave a gap at one short side to turn the fabric out. Trim off the extra fabric and clip the corners if necessary. Iron your fabric before draping it over the deck chair to pin in place around the upper and lower dowels. We must hand stitch to attach the fabric. For less visible stitches, thread your cotton through the underlayer of the sling only, so you won't see the stitches on the top side. Keep sewing along the fabric to encase the length of the dowel. When you get to the end, loop the thread over your needle to make a knot, then clip the excess thread. Repeat this step for the lower dowel and your upcycled camp chair is done. One more quick craft. Remove the cap from an empty paint bottle that has a connected lid. Reduce the depth to about 1 cm. Then carefully carve away the raised plastic at the opening. Seal the bottom of the cap with hot glue like we did for the sunscreen bottle, then paint the colour of your choice. From our printable, cut out the compass image and pierce a hole through the middle of the paper. For the needle, take a paper clip and bend the tip of its long length to make an L shape. Clip this piece off. Now glue the printable to the inside of the cap and push the needle through the center hole. From the remaining paper clip, loop it into a ring shape with a flat base. Attach the ring to the back of the cap with hot glue, ensuring it does not impede the lid's ability to open and close. So our doll can wear her compass, we will make a necklace from embroidery floss. While plaiting, double the embroidery strands so it is thicker and stronger. We also mixed yellow and hot pink threads for more visual variety. Slip the braid through the metal ring, then knot the end closed. For a finishing touch, glue the blue star image to the lid. This super cute compass is perfect for any adventure. If you'd like to keep crafting, check out our AG Summer and Camping DIY playlists. Thanks for joining us and see you again soon for more miniature crafting fun!